Hey guys, welcome to Ecemili Türkçe. In this video, we are gonna learn de, da in Turkey. We use de, da to mean also, to. But here there is an important note. If you write de, da right next to the noun, then it will mean in, on, or at, right? It will become locative case. So it's always important to write it separately. We put da if the last vowel of the noun is either a, l, o, or u. We put de if the last vowel of the noun is e, I, ö, or ü. Here, because we don't write da or de merged with the noun, like together with the noun, there is no catch-up rule, right? There is no consonant assimilation. So da will never turn to ta. That's why we don't need to worry about that. We use de, da to give slightly different meanings. And now, one by one, I will show you how we use this little word. First, agreement. Let's see one example. Seni seviyorum. The response can be seni seviyorum. You could just repeat it. Or you could say ben de seni seviyorum. Ben de seni seviyorum. I love you too. So here somebody says something to you and you agree with them and then you say I love you too. Me too. If we look at each pronoun, it will go like this. Ben de, sen de, o da, biz de, siz de, onlar da. Now let's look at another use case, very similar to the agreement one, but this time it will be reciprocal statements. So here you don't agree with someone or you don't feel the same way, but you wish them that too. So let's see one example, you will better understand. İyi geceler, iyi geceler, good night. You can say, you have a good night too, right? You too. So we will say, size de, size de. So for other personal pronouns with dative case, we use like this. Bana da, sana da, ona da, bize de, size de, onlara da. Sometimes da, de can also be replaced with and, ve in Turkish. Let's see this example. Markete git de, ekmek ve su al. Go to grocery store and buy bread and water. So here you ask someone to do two things in a row, right? First go to the grocery store and then buy this and that. In those kind of situations, you can use de replacing and in English. But when we say ekmek ve su, bread and water, we don't replace and ve with de. So if you say this and this, two nouns, you always bring them together with ve. Sometimes with ile, with, but never with de. We can sometimes use de and da for but. So for example, you are asked a question like this. Derse girdin mi? Did you attend the class? You can answer this question in two ways. First, I will make a sentence with de, da, and then I will make it with ama, meaning but. So you will see how they are interchangeable in a context like this. Girdim de, dinlemedim. I attended, but I didn't listen. Girdim ama dinlemedim. We also use de, da to give both and meaning. For example, Atakan Almanca da biliyor, Fransızca da biliyor. Atakan speaks both German and French. You might not know this, but you can make the same sentence as this. Atakan hem Almanca biliyor, hem Fransızca biliyor. Or Atakan hem Almanca biliyor, hem de Fransızca biliyor. So this is not the only way to give both and meaning in Turkish, but it is a way to do that. Now quiz time. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it was useful. If it was, please make sure to like and subscribe. And if you want free Turkish PDFs or if you want to find out about my group and private classes, please visit ecemileturkce.com. Thank you so much again, and I'll see you in the next one.